What if I told you the future from sci-fi movies is basically here? Glasses that translate languages and real-time phones that unfold into tablets and desks that wirelessly charge everything. This is tech in 2025. The pace of innovation is relentless, and these aren't just upgrades, they're changing how we live. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 essential pieces of tech you'll want in 2025. We'll dive into specs, real-world use, and whether they're worth your money. From AR overlays to AI home robots, next-gen smartphones, personal audio, and smart home gear, I've tested them all. This is the tech that will define 2025. Let's get started. First up, smart AR glasses. After years of hype, they're finally sleek, lightweight, and genuinely useful. The Aura lens looks like regular glasses but projects a crisp, private heads-up display onto your lens. Imagine walking in a foreign country and seeing real-time translated subtitles or GPS arrows overlaid on the street. Notifications, messages, and calendar alerts appear in your peripheral vision. No more pulling out your phone. Real-time translation supports over 50 languages with almost no lag. Skip songs, see who's calling, or reply to texts with a tap on the frame. The Aura lens syncs with your phone, smartwatch, laptop, and smart home devices, making it the central hub for your digital life. Get alerts from your oven or security camera all in your field of view. Battery life? 6 to 8 hours per charge, plus a case with 3 extra charges. The camera is for quick POV shots and AI features, not photography. Price, $799. Premium, but it's a new category of personal computing. For multitaskers, travelers, or anyone who wants cutting-edge tech, these glasses are a game changer. They make tech feel ambient and integrated, not intrusive. Not for everyone yet, but for early adopters, it's a glimpse of the future. The Aura lens is my top pick for 2025. It's not just about doing more, it's about being more present. AR glasses are finally practical, and they're redefining how we interact with information. If you want to be on the cutting edge, this is where you start. The future of personal interfaces is here. Are you ready to see the world differently? That's why AR glasses top my list. Let's move on. Next, the foldable smartphone. The Flexi Fold 3 is the first foldable that feels truly ready for daily life. The hinge is robust, the crease is nearly invisible, and the unfolded 8-inch OLED display is stunning. It's a phone and a tablet in one. Run multiple apps side by side, work, watch, or play anywhere. Durability is no longer a concern. IP68 water and dust resistance, tough aluminum frame, and rated for 300,000 folds. The software is optimized for multitasking, with seamless transitions and unique dual-pane layouts. Price $1,799. Expensive, but it can replace both your phone and tablet. Available unlocked or from major carriers. The Flexi Fold 3 is the ultimate mobile productivity and entertainment device. It's not a gimmick anymore, it's a new standard for personal computing. If you want versatility and power in your pocket, this is it. Foldables have finally arrived. The future of mobile is flexible. For creators, power users, or anyone who wants the best, this is the phone to beat. The compromises are gone. It's a masterpiece of convergence. Foldable phones are here to stay. Ready to upgrade? Let's check out the next essential. Meet the Astrobot, an AI-powered home assistant robot that's more than a smart speaker on wheels. It's a mobile command center for your smart home, navigating with cameras and LiDAR, learning your space and routines. Tell it movie time, and it dims lights, closes blinds, and starts your entertainment system. It follows you room to room, adding groceries to your list or reading recipes while you cook. The Astrobot can deliver snacks, check on pets, and patrol your home for security. It recognizes household members, manages calendars, and personalizes interactions. Privacy is built-in local processing, encrypted cloud use, and a physical camera/mic disconnect button. Price $1,499. It's an investment, but for smart home enthusiasts, it's the missing link. Available direct or through smart home installers. The Astrobot is practical, futuristic, and genuinely helpful. It's the robot helper we've been waiting for. If you want a truly intelligent home, this is the centerpiece. Home automation just got personal. The future of smart homes is mobile and AI-powered. Ready for a robot roommate? Let's move to the next must-have, onto a cleaner workspace. Hate cable clutter? The PowerDesk Pro is the answer. A desk where the entire surface is a wireless charging zone. Just drop your phone, earbuds, or laptop anywhere. No cables, no fuss. The central zone charges laptops at up to 45 W. The rest handles phones and accessories at 15 W. Charge up to 5 devices at once, intelligently and safely. The minimalist design hides the tech, keeping your workspace clean and modern. Integrated LED lighting and a USB-C hub add extra convenience. Monitor charging and set schedules with the companion app. Price $899 and up. It's a premium desk, but it's also a tech upgrade for your whole setup. Order online with options for size and finish. For anyone serious about their workspace, this is a game changer. It's the final step to a truly wireless, organized desk. No more cable mess, just drop and charge. The PowerDesk Pro is the future of workspaces. Let's talk about personal audio. The EchoBuds Pro 2 set a new standard for wireless earbuds in 2025. Advanced adaptive noise cancellation silences the world or lets in what matters, like voices or alarms. Sound quality is top-tier. Dual drivers deliver rich, balanced audio for any genre. Up to 10 hours of playback per charge, 40 hours total with the case. Multi-point Bluetooth lets you switch between devices seamlessly. Fitness tracking and a secure, comfortable fit round out the package. Price $299. Competitive for flagship earbuds. Available everywhere. Perfect for work, travel, workouts, or just tuning out the world. Control your audio environment like never before. These are the earbuds to beat in 2025. The sound bubble you need wherever you go. Personal audio has never been this smart. Ready to upgrade your listening? Let's wrap up. That's 5 pieces of tech redefining 2025. From AR glasses to wireless desks, innovation is everywhere. These gadgets solve real problems and open new possibilities. The future is unfolding now. Are you ready? Which one excites you most? Let me know in the comments, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.